Cooking is about more than just following recipes. It's about exploring flavors. It's about trying new things, and it's about having fun in the kitchen. The best meals are made with love and a little creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment. Taste as you go. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Cooking is a journey. Let your taste buds be your guide. Fusion food is like a delicious passport. It takes you on a culinary adventure around the world all in one bite. It's about blending the best of different cuisines. Think Japanese and Peruvian, or maybe Indian and Mexican. The possibilities are endless. Fusion food is exciting, it's unexpected, and it's always delicious. Let's start with a fun fusion recipe: Korean BBQ tacos. This dish is a delightful blend of Korean and Southwestern flavors, bringing together the best of both worlds in a single delicious bite. Imagine tender marinated bulgogi beef. This beef is marinated in a mixture of soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, garlic, and other traditional Korean spices, giving it a rich, savory flavor that's hard to resist. Now picture it nestled in warm tortillas. These tortillas are soft and slightly charred, providing the perfect vessel for our flavorful bulgogi beef. Top it with kimchi slaw. This slaw is made from fermented cabbage and radishes, offering a tangy crunch that complements the tender beef beautifully. And a drizzle of spicy gochujang mayo. This mayo is infused with gochujang, a Korean chili paste that adds a spicy, umami-rich kick to the tacos. The sweet and savory bulgogi pairs perfectly with the tangy kimchi. The combination of these flavors creates a harmonious balance that dances on your taste buds. The gochujang mayo adds a kick of heat. It's the perfect finishing touch, adding a layer of complexity to the overall flavor profile. It's a flavor explosion in every bite. Each bite offers a new experience, with the different textures and flavors coming together in perfect harmony. These tacos are easy to make. With just a few simple steps, you can create a dish that's both impressive and delicious. They're sure to impress your friends and family. Whether you're hosting a casual get-together or a more formal dinner, these tacos are a surefire hit. The unique fusion of flavors will leave your guests talking about your culinary skills for days to come. To make these tacos, you'll need some key ingredients: bulgogi beef, tortillas, kimchi slaw, and gochujang mayo. You can find most of these ingredients at your local grocery store or Asian market. Start by marinating the bulgogi beef. Let it sit for at least an hour or overnight if you have the time. This allows the flavors to fully penetrate the meat, making it even more delicious. Next, cook the beef on a grill or in a hot pan. You want to get a nice sear on the outside while keeping the inside tender and juicy. While the beef is cooking, prepare the kimchi slaw. Mix together shredded cabbage, radishes, and a bit of the kimchi juice for extra flavor. Then, make the gochujang mayo. Simply mix together mayonnaise and gochujang until well combined. You can adjust the amount of gochujang to suit your spice preference. Finally, assemble the tacos. Start with a warm tortilla, add a generous portion of bulgogi beef, top with kimchi slaw, and finish with a drizzle of gochujang mayo. And there you have it, Korean BBQ tacos. A delicious fusion dish that's sure to become a favorite in your household. Serve these tacos at your next gathering and watch as your guests are blown away by the incredible flavors. It's a dish that's as fun to make as it is to eat. So why not give it a try? Bring a taste of Korea to your kitchen with these amazing Korean BBQ tacos. Enjoy! Next up, we're giving classic Italian risotto a Thai twist. Imagine the creamy, comforting texture of traditional risotto, but with an exciting burst of Thai flavors. Creamy arborio rice is cooked in coconut milk infused with fragrant lemongrass and ginger. The coconut milk adds a rich, velvety texture, while the lemongrass and ginger bring a refreshing, aromatic quality that elevates the dish to a whole new level. Then, we add tender chicken or tofu and a generous spoonful of Thai green curry paste. The green curry paste is the heart of this dish, providing a complex blend of spices and herbs that are quintessentially Thai. The chicken or tofu absorbs these flavors beautifully, making each bite a delightful experience. The result? A comforting and flavorful dish with a touch of Thai heat. The heat from the curry paste is perfectly balanced by the creaminess of the coconut milk, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that is both soothing and invigorating. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime for the perfect finishing touch. The cilantro adds a fresh, herbaceous note, while the lime provides a zesty, tangy contrast that brightens up the entire dish. This recipe is proof that fusion food can be both comforting and adventurous. It's a wonderful way to bring together the best of both worlds, combining the creamy, comforting nature of Italian risotto with the bold, vibrant flavors of Thai cuisine. Whether you're a fan of Italian food, Thai food or both, this dish is sure to become a new favorite. So why not give it a try and experience the magic of this unique fusion for yourself? You might just discover a new go-to comfort food that you'll want to make again and again. Enjoy! One of the best things about fusion cooking is that it encourages you to use fresh local ingredients. Head to your local farmer's market. See what's in season. Then, let those ingredients inspire your culinary creations. Using local ingredients supports your community and it makes your food taste even better. Here are a few tips for shopping for local produce. Visit your local farmer's market. Talk to the farmers. Ask about their favorite ways to use their produce. Look for what's in season. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are at their peak flavor. Don't be afraid to try something new. You might discover a new favorite ingredient. Remember, the best ingredients make the best meals. Flavor fusion tips for blending cuisines. Ready to start creating your own fusion dishes? Here are a few tips. First, start with familiar flavors. Choose cuisines that you already enjoy. Next, think about complementary flavors. Sweet and sour, spicy and tangy. Opposites attract. And don't be afraid to experiment. The most important ingredient is your creativity. Have fun and let your taste buds be your guide. Experiment and enjoy. The joy of fusion cooking. Fusion cooking is all about breaking the rules. There are no right or wrong answers, so go ahead and get creative in the kitchen. Try new combinations, explore different flavors, and most importantly, have fun. The best way to learn is by doing, so put on your apron and get cooking. Fusion food, a celebration of cultures and flavors. Fusion food is a beautiful amalgamation of different culinary traditions, bringing together the best of various worlds onto a single plate. Fusion food is more than just a trend. It's a culinary movement that has taken the world by storm, blending ingredients, techniques and flavors from different cultures to create something entirely new and exciting. It's a reflection of our increasingly interconnected world. As people travel, migrate, and share their culinary heritage, fusion food becomes a testament to our global village, where boundaries blur and flavors merge. It's a celebration of diversity. Each fusion dish tells a story of cultural exchange, of how different traditions can come together to create something harmonious and delicious. It's a way to experience different cultures through food. Every bite of a fusion dish is like a journey, taking you through the streets of Bangkok, the markets of Marrakesh, or the kitchens of Mexico City. And it's a delicious reminder that we have more in common than we think. Despite our differences, food has the power to unite us, to bring us together around a table, sharing stories and laughter. So gather your friends and family, share a meal, let the flavors of the world come together on your plate and celebrate the rich tapestry of cultures that make our world so vibrant, and celebrate the joy of fusion food. It's not just about eating, it's about experiencing the world through your taste buds, appreciating the creativity and innovation that goes into every dish. So, next time you sit down for a meal, think about the journey each ingredient has taken to get to your plate and savor the global story it tells. Keep cooking, keep exploring. The world of fusion food is vast and exciting. There are endless possibilities to explore. So keep experimenting in the kitchen, keep trying new things, and most importantly, keep enjoying the delicious journey. Happy cooking!